Are you guys seeing the same signs that I'm seeing of what is happening in this bull market? For those of you who think that this time cryptocurrencies are going to be going up forever, today I would like to impart on you maybe a different perspective. What I'm seeing today and what I'm going to be talking about in today's video are signals that are currently happening that are telling us that the psychosis of the bull market of 2024 is in full swing. These are the telltale signs that we are approaching craziness in the bull market. These are signs of the top. I'm not saying that this is the top of the market by any means. I'm not going to do a price prediction here. I'm going to let Standard Chartered do that for us today. But these are signs of mania phase kicking in, just complete illogical moves in the market, and people want to throw their money at anything that they think they can speculate on. So the Bitcoin halving is 5,000 blocks away now, and that means that coming up soon, the emission rate of Bitcoin will be cut in half. Historically, the price of Bitcoin increases only after this event, and not only after, like 6 to 8 months after the event. Now is the first time ever we have hit new all-time highs in Bitcoin before the halving. History doesn't repeat itself, but it does rhyme. And so the bigger players that are shifting their money into Bitcoin, like the institutions and through their massive purchasings of Bitcoin, I think that's definitely influencing the price now and the amount of people that are willing to hold Bitcoin as well. We're seeing the supply of Bitcoin dwindle on exchanges, and so I think that's what's being reflected in the price. But this is yet another indication of the bull market is in full swing, and the fast approaching of the Bitcoin halving is yet another indication. Another one, Standard Chartered, which is a British multinational bank, is throwing out Bitcoin price predictions and dates. It's getting juicy. So another signal that we have to look at here are price predictions that are going up. They are readjusting their previous Bitcoin price prediction. They think it's actually going to go higher than what they previously thought. Now they're saying that Bitcoin could hit $150,000 by the end of 2024 and $250,000, $250,000 by the year 2025. But will this bull market last until 2025? Like I said before, it started off quite early, and the time frames that may have worked out previously, maybe they're not going to work out this time. There's a lot of anomalies happening in the Bitcoin market right now. A lot of people were expecting a big dip in Bitcoin before the halving event. Will that still happen? There's certainly time for that. But certainly hitting all-time highs before the halving is unheard of. And now they're saying $150,000 Bitcoin by the year 2024. Let me know what you think of that price prediction down below. But here's the next story, is even more funny. It's a classic now. Now that Elon Musk has gone happy days with the cryptocurrency market, he tweeted this on St. Patrick's Day yesterday. Of course, we have our lovely looking Doge doggy right there, as well as two others. And you might guess, let me know in your comments right now, what coin do you think pumped after Elon Musk tweeted this post? And I bet that you're wrong, unless you're really, really caught up on crypto news and you already know. But you might think it was Dogecoin that pumped, right? No, in fact, you guys know more about meme coins, right? There's not just Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, dog meme coins. There's also DogeWulf Hat, which has pumped right after Elon Musk tweeted this. You can't make this stuff up. And this is just a classic signal of, again, the mania phase, the illogical movement of money. People are just throwing money at whatever they think is going to pump next, really throwing caution to the wind and probably going to be losing a lot of money in the future. Will DogeWulf Hat turn out to be the next Shiba Inu coin? Who knows? But anyway, I thought that was a funny one. Another indication that this market is fast approaching the mania phase, if we're not already in it, is we have things like developers are making really easily avoidable mistakes. And so I'm sorry for this person, but I don't know them personally, obviously, but this could be an indication of more and more unskilled developers participating in the cryptocurrency space, trying to launch a meme coin, trying to take advantage of the mania that happens during bull runs to capture some of that increasing liquidity that's entering the cryptocurrency space. He burns $10.4 million in Solana token meant for meme coin launch. He accidentally sent 535,000 Solana tokens and burned them because he sent them to an address that is unretrievable, when instead those should have been allocated towards things like investors and development and all that fun stuff. And now everyone who had invested in this project is pissed off, and probably rightfully so. But this is, again, yet another indication of topping moments, right? And this last one, now listen, the fact that I'm even saying Cardano might be a little bit triggering for those of you who are at all familiar with this channel, but Cardano is now launching a fiat-backed stablecoin called USDM on its blockchain, which is great. There's finally a stablecoin that is backed by fiat that can be used for the DeFi ecosystem specifically, and right now only available on Cardano. Now, Cardano is well known for years now to have probably one of the most toxic communities out there. Hi guys, I see you in the comments. Don't worry, I know you're angrily typing as I'm talking. You're probably not even hearing what I'm saying. But for example, one very, very big fan of Cardano is calling this a historical moment, which, launching a fiat-backed stablecoin, I think we can shoot a little bit higher than that to call it a historic moment. I understand that it's going to play a huge role in facilitating more activity, maybe in the DeFi space. Of course, stablecoins play a huge role in that for things like staking, lending, trading. Everyone likes a good stablecoin, but the fact that it is completely backed by fiat, relying on banks, relying on fiat, I think that we can do better. And lastly, I have to talk about what's happening from the fallout is still happening from the last psychosis of the last bull market in 2021. Sam Bankman-Fried in 10 days will be finding out how long he will be in prison. Prosecutors want him to be locked up for 40 to 50 years, in addition to an $11 billion fine. And of course, Sam Bankman-Fried's parents and his defense lawyers are hoping that, he's not violent. He doesn't have any priors. He's relatively young. They're hoping to get some leniency, but there's some really specific and tragically comical activities from Sam Bankman-Fried before he was even arrested that might get in the way. Because before he was even arrested, he was brainstorming all the ways that he could repair his image in the future and use it, any type of excuse or idea that he could use to get himself out of jail. These are all now public documents because this has been submitted to the court prior to his sentencing hearing. So the judge is going to see that Sam Bankman-Fried, before he was even arrested, was acting pretty guilty. Let me know what you guys think about these top signals, what you think about Sam Bankman-Fried. Also, what do you think is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin before the halving event? Let's leave it in the comments down below. Start a conversation. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.